Hello guys, video back with another video.
Oh, 1 second, let's carry on. There you go, yeah, go on.
Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from Sports Direct.
Sports Direct? Sports Direct?
I mean ProDirect.
Open it then.
Does it have... No.
Open it then. Show what it is.
It didn't say what it is.
Go on. So we have, these are really expensive socks. Trusox. But these are the thicker than the ones you've got, because why are we getting the slightly thicker? So mid, you can read it here. Just read that bit to them.
Mid calf crew.
Yeah, but what's the important bit?
Small men.
No, what's in brackets? What?
Where?
In brackets.
Cushion.
Cushion. So you got the thin ones, and these are cushioned ones. Now, why are we getting the cushioned ones?
Because my boots are a bit big.
Boots are a bit big. Show the boots. We got new boots. They're not a bit big. They're all right, but we want a bit more bulked out. So show them properly. These are, we've done a video of these, so you can look in the link, or maybe we'll do one of those things where we go look in the thingy or whatever way it is. I did tell him on. I did tell him when we were doing a video, didn't I?
Yeah.
There, or in the link down below. Trying to be fancy like people say, but because we've done a video, a review of these, they are what you had before, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you like them. So we had the AG version, and now we've got the FG version. How have they been? Good? They're quite good. Really good boots. Puma, don't disregard Puma or New Balance. They're excellent football boots. However, and they're quite good because they fit your feet right. You've got quite wide feet, so Adidas don't suit you, do that. Adidas are generally quite a bit narrow. Yeah. New Balance do wide versions as well, so it's really good about New Balance, but Pumas are really good, and they're a bit cheaper because nobody wants them as much as they want a Nike and Adidas. Okay, so we're going to just show you. The thing about grip socks is it stops your feet sliding around, so even better performance and less likely to get
injured.
No.
Blisters.
So these shoes are £30. They're really expensive, but they're really good.
£30 for one
pair. One thing as well, guys, do not wash these at any more than 30 degrees. Do not wash them more than 30 degrees, because these will start to come away, and they'll come off. And don't dry them, put them in dry, just hang them out. So go on, get them out. So these are quite small, as you can see, handsband. They're quite small. Their size, have a look, tell them what size is. Small, which is on the sizing chart, because it's got a sizing chart on the back here. If you want to freeze the video so you can always get the right sizing chart, if you're going to buy online, it's easier to pause. Yeah, pause the video so you can look. Is that focusing in? I don't know if focusing, but anyway, this is size 2.5 to 6, and you're about 6.5.
Yeah.
So this fit good, because the next size up is 7 to 9, and that would be a bit loose. So you want to be tight fit. So should we try them on then? Let's do the on feet thing, and then we're going to try the boots on, see if it feels any better than the other socks that you wore the other day. So yeah, we'll do that. Go on. We'll just get back in a minute when you've got the socks. Yeah. Okay, so we're back now. So you've got one of the boots on, and you've got one not with on, so you want to show them. So this is your size 6.5 coming to 7, and this was, remember, size what do you say? We said 2.5 to 6, and it looks perfect. Look at the heel. Yeah, it's perfect. So you've got little tabs at the bottom. So these are grippy tabs, and they're not on the inside but just on the outside. Then you've got this pattern. This is just a pattern, and then you've got the sign for Trusox. These are the OG original grip socks, and the other ones that are maybe a bit better, like there's a Falca one that's maybe really good, but they're expensive as well. But these are really good as well, and because we got them in a cushioned version, so it'd be fit a bit better. Now, how does it feel compared to socks you wore, your Nike Strike grip socks? Does it feel like it's more filled in?
Yeah.
So because it's cushioned, it's going to fill in the boot more, so you can slide around more and be a bit more comfortable, a bit more cushioning. So once you do fit in, these will stretch a bit anyway. They'll stretch a bit, not a lot, not like leather. Do they stretch? Do the other ones stretch? The blue ones you had, or not really? Did they stretch at all?
A bit.
They stretch a bit, so it's always difficult buying boots for people's feet, people with feet that are still going, because with boots it's different. They have to be performance. They're not like trained. They can be really loose.
Yeah.
But ones you do running with or PE with, they need to be a fairly good snug fit. With football boots, they're performance things, so they have to fit good. So just stand up a minute. You got to move your feet around. Come on. So put your foot over here. Put your foot over here. So you've got the front. Just turn around to the side. There's a side profile, and at the back. And these are for football. So we've got the sleeves, the pure sleeves. The pure sleeves go up here, and they come down so it look like proper socks. And then you can stick your shin pads in, because they're compression sleeves. Those pure sleeves, Josh from Soccer Movies for You sells them from Canada. They're relatively cheap, but take a long time to come over, and it's quite expensive. So if you look at the way they look in the boots, they look pretty cool. There's cool patterning. I don't know why they do the little square blocks anyway, but that's what I decided to do. Just show the bottom of them.
These?
The socks. So this is where you've got all the different tabs. These like felt like tabs, and they grip. Yeah, so the other ones have rubbery tabs that you felt like tips that grip. They're very comfortable, very cushioned. I mean, you don't have to get these fancy grip socks, but they help your performance, and all these little things add up. But obviously, remember, it's not the boots or the socks; it's the player. So you have to, the man, whatever. So you have to practice a lot. If you got these are really good boots. These are the high-end boots, but they were cheap. They're about 120, I think. Cheap compared to what they normally be, because they're far more expensive normally. And they are cheap in the Adidas Nike version, because it's a high-end elite version. These are the Puma Future Ultimate, so they're the highest level of all the boots. They are really good. I wait for the obscure colour. You didn't this colour because you wanted the colour. You would have preferred black, wouldn't it? Blackout. Yeah. But you get these colours because they're less popular, and they're going to be cheaper, because the colour doesn't matter. It's a boot. So they could be black, but they look cool, the black ones. But these are the best. We don't get Leary colours because we feel like we get Leary colours because they're cheaper.
Yeah, gold, big smart. The gold actually. Do you know the gold?
New Balance.
New Balance. I reckon they look nicer than the black ones though.
Yeah, much nicer than black ones, because they're a better boot. They're like the better version of that particular boot. So the white and the black one nowhere as good as the gold. Yeah. So we've got a done video on that as well, so check that out. I may do a link, I don't know, maybe not. But just check out, you'll find it. 442s, they're really good leather boots. But you want a synthetic because you love these boots. Out of all your boots, these are your favourite, aren't they? Yeah. So have we made the right decision? Because expensive decision to make £30 for a pair of socks. But they're performance socks, and not just normal socks. They're not fancy, they're these from a fancy designer sock or something. No, they're performance, really good socks. And they're good, they do the job. Do they grip it well? Mm-hmm. The other ones you had, for the two socks, do they grip? Yeah. Okay, so worth it. Sizing wise, look, that's a size 2.5, 3.5. Let's go to it again. Is a size 2.5 to 6, and you're 6.5 to 7, and that fits good. So look at the sizing, because these are meant to be firm socks, are meant to grip really good. If you went for the other size, which is medium there, the medium, I'm not focusing in properly, it's really frustrating that. The medium there is size 6 to 8.5, so that would have been too big. That would have been no good. Okay, because it would have been loose and floppy. At some point, you're going to have to go for the larger size anyway if you get these again. But are they worth it?
Yes.
They're expensive. You want good performance socks. Listen, just save up together. Save up a bit for them if you want performance gear. You get the sleeves. You can get sleeves from like ProDirect and Level Sock and all the Nike sleeves. They do their own sleeves as well. I'm not sure of the compression, but the pure sleeves are very good and they're not that expensive. And they go good in the washing machine and everything. Anyway, should we leave it at that?
Yes, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye-bye.